Hi, hello there. Right now we're gonna unbox Acer Predator Helios 300. This was just released recently at around June 2020, and you can see here the specs that I bought. This particular product is manufactured on June 9th, 2020. So it's basically really new. Anyways, we're opening the box right now, and we have here the charger. Well, it's a 45 watt hour charger, and yep, make sure the box is still intact because sometimes we don't know it, the laptop might not be as perfect as or it's working or not, so we can just return it anytime if we need to. Okay, we have here the laptop itself, and we have here an envelope which I guess have the manual and the user manual, yep, and some warranty. Oh, we have a sticker here. Yeah, you can use this and put it on your laptop or anywhere you want. Okay, there's no CD because there's already a Windows OS here, and it's Windows 10 Home Edition. Okay, just the support number there. Okay, now let's open the box. I mean the laptop, sorry. Okay, removing the seal. One down. Second down. Okay, this is upside down, so you need to flip it over. There you go. Nice reflective logo there. Predator, there you go. Nice. Okay, make sure the boxes are still look good so that when you return it, you can get a refund if it's not working. Okay, let's open the laptop. Oh, nice. It's like kind of heavy. It feels really like sturdy, and it has like a silver. I don't know, it's like a metal thing here. Okay, okay, this is Predator PH315-53-786B. So that's the latest version that we have. Nice, I guess. Really cool vents here for the fans. We get two fans. Okay, let's open it. Okay, we have a mesh for the keyboard. Nice, and there's a tool button there. And then there's like a grill here. It's an air intake. Really? Okay, this is the first time I have this gaming laptop. Okay, where's the power button? Okay, so right now let's see the ports. Okay, we have here the RJ45 USB port, HDMI port, and another USB and a microphone in the back. We have two vents for the airflow, and then we have the power uh, supply there. There's only one port there for the power supply. And again, we have another vent there with USB Type C, and another USB Type A with the HDMI, and an optical output, video output. So we have about 4 USB and 1 USB Type C, so 4 USB Type A, and I think they're all 3.1 version of USB. Okay, let's try to power it on. Okay. Charger into the power supply. Let's check it out. Well, I guess I tried to turn it on, but there's no battery, or there's no power in the battery, so you really need to plug it in. Okay, it's now turning. I mean, there's already power. The red light is there. Oh, nice. And whoa, you heard that? Nice. I think the volume is set too high on this one, by the way. Whole design is pretty sleek. I like it. It's kinda, let's say, I'm not sure about the weight, but it's like 2.5 or 3 kilograms, or even less. Okay, so of course it has already an OS, Windows 10 Home Edition. So we're just gonna set it up. I don't have any games installed in this one yet, so we cannot check it out, but I heard a lot of good things about this. This is a very it's not cheap, it's still kind of expensive, about $2,000 Canadian dollars from Best Buy. Okay, look at this. There's a webcam, and look at the logo at the back. It's backlit. They got bluish light there. It's pretty cool, huh? Great. Okay, well, I'll just set it up. Thank you for watching, and let's try the keyboard. Wow, nice. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.